Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. Today's update here for Gala. We are trading at 0.06713. 24-hour volume, we were down 11.60%. Market cap, we are down 4.68%. So heading over to our chart here, I've got it laid out on a day. We're going to go into a 4-hour time frame as well. But what we can see already is we're basically being capped up here at 72.88. Now we can see on our volume indicator, not a whole lot of supply and demand as the price is coming down here. Now what we can see is our RSI has initiated a signal to potentially sell it as the price retraced here. We can see the Bollinger Bands are squeezing in, so it is another sign a potential breakout is going to happen either on an uptrend or a downtrend. And we're going to take a look at some data to see if there is any resistance line, what the probability of an uptrend or a downtrend. Now looking on our MACD indicator. Okay, we have been bullish on this trend for quite some time as the price fluctuated from accumulation phase to coming up slowly into a distribution phase. And I don't want to say it is 100% distribution because we don't know until we're able to break through this resistance line and then come back up. It's not a strong distribution phase itself. It's not a strong uptrend, but overall we're doing really good for Gala. But what we are going to see in a 4-hour time frame is a potential bearish reversal pattern I want to show you. But again, yesterday we have, or today, see the signal on our RSI of a potential drop or, retracement that we're already experiencing today. Take a look at the candlestick too. We see the same type of body that we're mirroring on the other end as well. The wick in the last one had a little bit more of an edge closer to, the one that we have today. So price may actually come back down. We're hoping we can catch at 61, which is our golden number. But again, we could possibly break through this and come down here at the 64 cents. We can see again with our trend of our MACD, it is still currently going strong, but the spaces in between our signal line and our MACD line is slowly coming together. So another alert that price may actually turn on the downside for our daily average. Going into immediate short term for 4 hours, you guys, this is what I essentially wanted to show you. Maybe a reversal pattern on our bearish head and shoulders. So I'm going to close this. I want to show you here is the left shoulder. Volume picked up as expected in the left shoulder for head and shoulders. Here is essentially the head here. So our left shoulder, here is our head hitting resistance. Bulls could not push the price any further. Shows a lot of weakness in the side. Bears took charge of the marketplace, found near the 20 MA in our right shoulder. As we can see, the volume decreased coming into our head and decreased going into the right shoulder. So this is naturally how head and shoulders top and bottoms is found, is that we see weakness in the volumes on the second shoulder itself, and again capped out on our resistance level that we used in our volume indicator yesterday here for us. So right now is essentially, we can say we are at the neckline at the 50%. This is basically the crucial end that we are looking at, high confluence area, to see if this breaks. Now if this does complete the pattern, price needs to retrace closer down to at least 5% from the neckline. So we're going to take it from 50 all the way down to 5% and take a look at that drop right down to 78% of our retracement level. This would be a confirmation of this head and shoulder pattern if we see price drop closer to 511. Now let's quickly take a look at our RSI. Our RSI right here is closing in. We can see that the K line is at 11, our D line is at 13. Yes, it's considered to be oversold because it's below 20%. However, it's not giving us the signal that it is a potential buy signal as the lines did not cross over and retrace and reverse its course. When we look at our MACD as well, we can see that the lines may potentially continue to increase. Okay, we're going to see if 50% by scrolling out is an area of support from other candlesticks. So we can zoom in on this feature here on June 25th, and doesn't look like we've gotten a lot of support, maybe 1, 2, 3 candles itself. So let's see if we're able to hold again at the 50% to be able to see if we're able to retrace from this neckline and not see that 5% drop. But we're already found close to breaking through the 20 MA and the Bollinger Bands are squeezing in. So we may actually drop a little bit more. This is going to be the crucial part for Gala. If we're actually coming down to the 6350, we may potentially drop even more than that. So hopes that we do stay the 50 or even the 61, but it's dangerous waters if we do actually come down to the 78% of our fib. So that is my video update here for Gala. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.